The most important part about Hollandaise sauce is don't fucking overcook your eggs on Eggs Benedict.
Hey, my name's Chris Rivest. I'm not a chef, but probably neither are you. Welcome to the Rivestaurant.
Start with a pot and a stainless steel bowl. Get a little bit of water going. You want to create sort of a double boiler.
Is that bowl touching the water? Yes. You don't want to touch the water or else you're fucked.
While that heats up, start by breaking 2 eggs.
Ooh, there's a good way to crack it.
Preserving just the yolk. There's even that little boogery part that's attached to the egg.
That's the chicken.
Get rid of that.
There you go.
What?
You got it.
Got it.
Broke the yolk, man. Fail of life.
Then you want to be using a 1/4 cup of butter per egg yolk. Nice little room temperature cubes. Set those aside so they're easy to grab as you go. Take a lemon, roll it around, get those juices flowing. Cut it. Squeeze some juice out, saving pith and some seeds. Take a whisk. Egg yolks, lemon juice. You want to incorporate air, so you need to use a whisk. Keep your butter on hand. Keep it moving. Throw 1 butter in at a time. Keep it moving, don't stop. And just pull it off and put it back on as you will.
What's the Hollandaise sauce?
And as each butter melts, add 1 at a time. Gotta make sure it's soft butter though. If it's cold, you're just gonna separate this whole thing. Throw in some cayenne and some salt. There you go. And that is a perfect Hollandaise sauce. Decadent.
Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chilling. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chilling. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chilling. Clean your plate, motherfucker.
You can save these egg whites for egg white omelets if you hate yourselves, or meringue if you love yourself.
Mmm.